Here is how to add internal notes to transactions in QuickBooks Online, step by step. Begin by opening QuickBooks Online, then go to the transaction where you want to place the note. You can create a new transaction if you are entering something fresh, or open an existing one if you need to update a record that is already in your books. An invoice is one common example, but the same approach applies when the transaction includes the internal note field. Once the transaction is open on your screen, move through the form as needed until you reach the lower part of the page. Scroll down and look for the Notes section near the bottom of the transaction. This area can be missed if you stay focused on the top portion of the form, so continue down until the full Notes area is visible. Inside that section, click the field labeled Internal Customer Notes, hidden. This is the field used for information that should stay inside QuickBooks rather than appear on anything your customer sees. If you are adding notes for internal coordination, approval status, or account handling, this is the place to enter them. Type your note directly into that field. The note can be short and specific, depending on what needs to be documented for your team. For example, you might enter a note such as customer requested follow-up, approved by manager, or priority account. Use wording that makes sense for your workflow so anyone with access to the company file can understand the context later. It is useful to keep in mind that this internal customer notes field is hidden from the customer side. It is visible only to you and other QuickBooks users who have access to your company. It does not appear on invoices, in customer emails, or on other customer-facing documents. That means you can use it to record internal details without changing what the customer receives. After the note has been entered, review the rest of the transaction details before saving. Check the information already on the form and confirm that everything else is correct. This is a good point to make sure the transaction itself is complete, since the note will be stored along with that record when you save it. When you are ready, click Save and Close if you want to save the transaction, and exit the form. If you plan to move straight into another transaction after this one, click Save and New instead. Either option will save the internal note as part of the transaction record. Your transaction now includes an internal note in QuickBooks Online that remains hidden from customer-facing documents.